So, I wanted to make this video kasi nagkamali ako. And ayaw ko rin magkamali kayo. So, kung titingnan nyo yung mga nakaraang video ko, we talked about different types of ropes for boats and their application. And nag-unbox rin tayo ng navigational equipment, yung ating marine compass, and navigational lights. So, kung titingnan nyo yung video, when I unbox the navigational lights, ang pinakita ko is ito. And these are flashers or strobe lights. So, ang tanong ngayon, pwede ba gumamit ng strobe lights as position lights for a vessel? So, I reviewed the collision regulation and they do not recommend or they do not say using strobe lights for position lights because position lights in a vessel need to be static. Pag nilagay mo to sa inyong vessel, they may mistake you for a navigational aid. Other mariners, other boats may mistake you for a navigational aid like mga navigational buoys. So, alam nyo naman if you look at navigational buoys and they identify, especially at night, they identify it based on how the lights strobe. Kung short ba or long. So, doon nila ina-identify kung anong klaseng navigational buoy siya and what it indicates. Kaya kung maglalagay ka ng strobe lights, since it's strobing, although it will really catch attention, ang problem is they may mistake you for a buoy. And kadalasan ng gumagamit ng strobe lights or yung strobing lights constitutes an emergency. So, you do not use a strobe light for a position light in a vessel. You use a static light. Like this. Pero kadalasan ng static light nakita ko, bihira lang yung solar powered. You need to hook it up. Hindi katulad ng mga ganito na strobe lights, naka-solar powered na daan. Ito is static light. So, we are gonna put this sa ating boat. Nasa 22 feet lang naman yung ating boat. So, we are gonna use this. And as position light sa ating vessel. And I ordered a stern light which is a static white light. Same as this pero smaller siya. And we're gonna put this red sa port side, green sa starboard side, and white light sa stern.